Welcome to mathematics class, straight line part 3. In continuation with the last class, let us solve some more problems from the textbook exercise 3A, Roman number 3. Find the equation of the straight line passing through the point 3 minus 4 and making xy intercepts which are in the ratio 2:3. 3, -4 బిందువు గుండా పోతూ XY అంతరఖండాల నిష్పత్తి 2:3గా గల సరళ రేఖా సమీకరణాన్ని కనుక్కోండి. Now, equation of the straight line in intercept form. Equation of the straight line in intercept form. అంతరఖండ రూపంలో సరళ రేఖా సమీకరణం x by a y by b is equal to 1. The given condition, the ratio of intercepts given condition a is to b is 2:3, that is a by b is equal to 2/3, multiplying b right side, this is equal to a. This implies a is equal to 2b by 3. 2b by 3. Let us name it as 1. Now, substituting a value as 2b by 3 in equation 1. In equation 1, so one equation becomes x by a y by b. In place of b or in place of a, write 2b by 3. So this becomes 3x by 2b, y by b is equal to 1. So multiplying with 2b, the equation becomes 3x plus 2y is equal to b. Let us name it as equation 2. So this equation passing through the point 3 comma minus 4. So this equation 2 passing through the point 3 comma minus 4. So substituting 3 comma minus 4 in equation 2 as this passing through this point. In place of x value, in place of y minus 4. So 3 into x, that is 3, plus 2 into y, that is 4, is equal to 2b. 3 into 3, 9. 2 into minus 4, minus 8. 2b. 9 minus 8, 1. So 2b value is 1. So substituting this 2b value in equation 2, we get 3x plus 2y. 2b value is 1. So 3x plus 2y is equal to 1 is the required equation, which is passing through the point 3 minus 4, and the ratio of the intercepts is 2:3. So taking the intercept form x by a plus y by b, and given condition a is to b as 2:3, in place of a writing 2b by 3 and simplifying and substituting the point, we get 2b value, and resubstituting the 2b value, we get the required equation. Now another question from the exercise. Third question. Show that the following sets of points are collinear and find the equation of the line containing them. Here 3 points are given. We have to show that the points are collinear, and we have to find the equation passing through the points. So there are so many methods we can show that the points are collinear. Different ways we can show that they are collinear. First one, if 3 points are collinear, A, B, and C, the finding the distances if sum of any two AB plus BC is equal to AC, then the points are collinear. This is one method. Another method, slope of AB is equal to slope of AC. Finding slopes, we can show that they are collinear. And in another method, if area of triangle ABC is equal to 0, then they are collinear. And finding the equation, substituting C in the equation of AB. So finding the equation of AB and substituting the third point, then they are equal. If the third point also satisfies the equation, that means the 3 points are collinear. So in different ways we can show that the given 3 points are collinear. రకరకాలుగా ఈ మూడు బిందువులు సరేఖ్యాలని చూపొచ్చు. మొదటిది దూరాలు కనుక్కోవడం ద్వారా AB plus BC is equal to AC. If you find the distance between AB and BC and AC, sum of the two becomes the third, then they are collinear. అవి రెండు దూరాల మొత్తం మూడో దూరానికి సమానం అయితే మూడు బిందువులు సరేఖ్యాలు కొలీనియర్ అవుతాయి. In another way, if you find the slopes, వాలులు ఏబి వాలు ఏసీ వాలు సమానమైతే కూడా అవి సరేఖ్యాలను చూపొచ్చు. ఇంకొక పద్ధతిలో ఏబిసి త్రిభుజ వైశాల్యం మూడు బిందువులతో ఏర్పడే త్రిభుజ వైశాల్యం 0 అయినట్టయితే ఆ ఏబిసి బిందువులు సరేఖ్యాలు అవుతాయి. ఇంకొక పద్ధతిలో రెండు బిందువుల గుండా పోయే సమీకరణం కనుక్కొని మూడో బిందువును ఆ సమీకరణంలో ప్రతిక్షేపించి అది సంతృప్తి పరుస్తుంది అని చూపించినట్టయితే ఆ మూడు బిందువులు సరేఖ్యాలు అవుతాయి. అయితే ఇక్కడ if we have to show that the points are collinear, then it is easy to find the slopes. ఒకవేళ కేవలం కొలీనియర్ మాత్రమే అని చూపాలనుకుంటే స్లోప్స్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసి చూపించవచ్చు. బట్ ఇన్ దిస్ కేస్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు ఫైండ్ ద ఈక్వేషన్ ఆల్సో. ఇక్కడ ఈక్వేషన్ కూడా కనుక్కోవాల్సి ఉంది కాబట్టి మనం ఫోర్త్ మెథడ్ను ఫాలో అవుతున్నాం. వీ హ్యావ్ టు ఫాలో, ఎందుకంటే ఇక్కడ ఈక్వేషన్ కూడా అవసరం కాబట్టి ఈక్వేషన్ కనుక్కొని థర్డ్ పాయింట్ అందులో ప్రతిక్షేపిస్తే అవి కొలీనియర్ అవుతాయి, ఈక్వేషన్ కూడా వస్తుంది. సో వి గో ఫర్ ఫోర్త్ మెథడ్. నౌ లెట్ us find the equation passing through any 2 points out of 3. Then substitute the third point in the equation. If it satisfies, then the points are collinear. Now let us take the first bit. Let us name the points as first point A 5, 1, and second point B 5, 5, and third point C, 10 minus 7. Now let us find equation passing through AB or BC or AC. Now let us find the equation passing through AB. So let us name it x1, y1, x2, y2. Equation of straight line passing through A and B. Y minus y1, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. This is nothing but slope, and x minus x1. If you remember the slope point formula, y minus y1 m into x minus x1. In place of m, you write the formula. So from the 1-point slope formula, you can remember this one also. In place of m, we are writing y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Substituting x1, y1, x2, y2 values, we get the equation of AB. Now, equation of AB line, y minus y1 value is 1. So y2 minus y1, y2 value 5 minus y1 1, x2 5, x1 minus 5 minus minus plus 5, x minus x1 minus 5 minus into minus plus 5. So 10, 5 plus 5, 10, 10 into y minus 1. So 10 into 10y minus 10 into 1, 10. 5 minus 1, 4. 4 into x, 4x. 4 into 5, 20. So bringing all one side. So left side terms bring right side. So now first write down right side, and plus 10y becomes minus 10y. Minus 10 becomes plus 10. So 4x minus 10y, 20 plus 10 becomes 30. So dividing the entire equation by 2, we get 2x minus 5y plus 15 is equal to 0. So this is the equation passing through AB, equation of AB. Now, if this equation passing through C also, if C is also on this line, then all the 3 points are collinear. That means all the 3 points lie on the same line. This line is passing through AB. If the third point also passing through this line, that point should satisfy this equation. ఇది ఏబిలో గుండా వెళ్ళే సరళ రేఖ సమీకరణం. మూడవ బిందువు కూడా ఈ సమీకరణం పైన ఉన్నట్టయితే అప్పుడు ఆ మూడవ బిందువు ఈ సమీకరణాన్ని తృప్తిపరచాలి. సో ద థర్డ్ పాయింట్ షుడ్ సాటిస్ఫై దిస్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఇఫ్ దే ఆర్ కొలీనియర్. సో ఇఫ్ we substitute this third point, substituting C, the third point 10,7 in the above equation in place of x, in place of y 7. So now 2 into x value 10 and minus 5 into y value 7 plus 15 is equal to 0. So now 2 into 10, 20, 5 into 7, 35 and plus 15. 20 and 15, 35 minus 35 is equal to 0. So 0 is equal to 0. So that means third point satisfying this equation, that is third point also lies on this AB equation. C also lies on AB equation. Therefore, all the 3 points A, B, C are collinear సరేఖీయాలు, అంటే ఒకే రేఖ పైన ఉండే బిందువులు. All the 3 points lying on the same line. That is the meaning of collinear. And the equation of the straight line, equation of the straight line on which all the 3 points lie is 2x minus 5y plus 15 is equal to 0. So on this line, all the 3 points lie on this line. So therefore they are collinear. If you substitute, all the 3 points, they satisfy this equation. The 3 points passing on this line. So in this way, we can prove that they are collinear, and also we can find the straight line. If we need to show only collinear, you can go for slopes. It is easy to find the slopes. So in any one of these methods, you can show that they are collinear. And the next question. If A, B, C are vertices of a triangle, A, B, C are vertices of a triangle, find the equation of AB, the median through A and the altitude through B. ఏబిసిలు త్రిభుజ శీర్షాలు అయితే the first bit, find the equation of AB straight line, then find the median through A, then the altitude through B, then the perpendicular of the side AB. Now the first bit, A, let us take A 10 minus 4, 10, 4, and B minus 4, 9. Now let this first point as x1, y1, second x2, y2. We know the equation passing through 2 points. Equation of straight line y minus y1, y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1, x minus x1. So this is the equation of the straight line passing through the given 2 points x1, y1, x2, y2, where the ABC, A, B, C are the vertices of a triangle. Now we are finding the equation of side AB. Substituting the values. So equation of AB line. So y minus y1 value 4, y2 minus y1 9 minus 4 divided by x2 minus x1 minus 4 minus 10 x minus x1 10. So next y minus 4 9 minus 4 5 by minus 14 x minus 10. Multiplying left side with minus 14, minus 14 into y, minus into minus, minus 14 into minus 4, minus minus plus 14 into 4, 56, and multiplying x minus 10 with 5, 5 into x, 5x, 5 into 10, 50. So bring left side terms to right side. First I am writing right side as it is, and minus 14y becomes plus 14y, my plus 56 becomes minus 56. I am writing one side all the terms. X term 5x plus 14y minus 50 minus 56 minus 106. So this is the equation of AB. the second bit, median through A. We have to find median through A. A ద్వారా మధ్యగతాన్ని కనుక్కోవాలి. So now let us take the triangle A, B, C. The median, what is median? The line joining the midpoint to its opposite vertex. ఎదుటి భుజం మధ్య బిందువును శీర్షాన్ని ఎదుటి భుజం మధ్య బిందువును కలిపే రేఖను మీడియన్ అంటాం. So D is the midpoint of BC. So this AD line is the median. We have to find the equation of AD. So D is the midpoint. D is the midpoint. Now let us write A 10 4 and B minus 4 9, C minus 2 minus 1. Now D is the midpoint, madhya bindu, midpoint of BC. So midpoint formula x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2, madhya bindu sutram. So here B, C, take the 2 points. So for midpoint, taking this first point and second point, x1 by 1 and x2 by 2, x1 plus x2 minus 4 minus 2 by 2, y1 plus y2, 9 minus 1, minus 6 by 2, 8 by 2. So this is D value minus 3 and 4. Therefore, the D is equal to minus 3, comma 4. This is the midpoint. So now we have to find the equation of the median. Now we have to find the AD equation. This is median. A point 10 4 and D minus 3 4. So now equation of median, madhyagatam, that is AD equation, where A is 10 comma 4 and D is minus 3 4. So let this first one A x1 y1, D second point x2 y2 for finding AD equation. We know how to find when the 2 points are given. How to find the equation of a straight line? The formula is y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. This is nothing but slope m, and x minus x1. You can remember this y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1, 1 point slope. In place of m, you write the formula. So this becomes a 2-point formula. So this is the equation of a straight line when 2 points are given. Now substituting the x1, y1 values in this, we get equation of AD median y minus y1 value is 4, y2 minus y1, y2 4, y1 also 4 by x2 minus 3 and x1 10, x minus x1 10. 4 minus 4 0, 0 by anything 0, 0 into anything 0. The entire right side becomes 0. Therefore, y minus 4 is equal to 0. So this is the equation of median, and the third bit, altitude through B. Third one, altitude through B. Unnati ettu. Take the triangle. So A, B, C, altitude. So this is the altitude. So BD is the perpendicular drawn from B onto the line AC. So the BD is the altitude ettu, tribujam yokka ettu avutundi. So BD is perpendicular to AC. So first we have to find the equation of BD. So BD is a perpendicular line. First find the slope of AC, then find the slope of BD and take the point B and slope. So point slope formula, using point slope formula, you can find the equation. Now what is A? 10, 4. A is 10, comma 4, and B minus 4, 9, minus 4, 9, and C minus 2, minus 1. So now slope of AC. First find slope of AC. The formula y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Let us name it as m1. y2, here for slope, take 2 points A and C. First point x1, y1, second point x2, y2. So y2 value is -1, y1 value is 4, and x2 value is -2, minus x1 value is 10. So -5 by -12. So minus will get cancelled. The slope of AC is 5 by 12. Slope of AC line is 5 by 12. So now we want slope of AD, that is -1 by m1. So that is -1 by 5 by 12, reverse. So that becomes 12 by 5, since AD is perpendicular to, since BD is perpendicular to AC. So this is slope of BD. So BD is perpendicular to AC. You know the slope of a line, then reverse change the sign, you will get the slope of its perpendicular line. Now we want equation of BD. We know the slope and we know the point B. So if you know the slope and a point on the line, you can find the equation of a straight line using 1-point slope formula. Now the equation of altitude unnati, that is BD. We know the point B, the B -4, 9, and we know the slope, that is m value as -12 by 5. Then the formula, you know slope and a point, use slope point formula. So point x1 y1 slope m. The formula is y minus y1 m into x minus x1. So this is 1-point slope formula. వాలు బిందు రూపము అంటాం. ఒక వాలు ఒక బిందువు తెలిస్తే సరళ రేఖ సమీకరణం. ఇందులో మనకు m వాల్యూ అండ్ x1 y1 ఈ 3 అన్నోన్, ఇవి సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే మనకు ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ స్ట్రైట్ లైన్ వస్తుంది. We know x1 y1 and m values. So substituting these values, y1 value from the point 9 and slope of the equation -12 by 5, and x1 value minus plus 4. So this is the equation of the altitude BD. Simplifying and multiplying left side with 5 into y, 5y, 5 into 9, 45, and 12 into x, -12 into x, -12 into 4, -48. So bringing right side terms left side, first write as it is, 5y minus 45 minus 12x becomes plus 12x minus 48 plus 48. And further simplifying, writing x term first, 12x, and y term, and minus 45 plus 48, 48 minus 45 plus 3 is equal to 0. So this is the equation of the altitude, equation of altitude. And the next one, the bisector of AB, perpendicular bisector of AB. AB లంబ సమద్వికర్ణన రేఖను కనుక్కోవాలి. So this is the triangle A, B, C, where A value 10,4 and B value minus 4,9. The perpendicular bisector is the line perpendicular to let us name it as M is the midpoint passing through the midpoint and it is perpendicular. That is perpendicular bisector. మధ్య బిందువు నుండి లంబంగా ఉండే రేఖ, మధ్య బిందువు గుండా పోతూ లంబంగా ఉండే రేఖను లంబ సమద్విఖండన రేఖ అంటాం. సమద్విఖండన లంబంగా. It is bisecting the AB, the dividing AB into equal parts, that is passing through midpoint, and it is perpendicular to AB. This line is perpendicular to AB and this line bisecting AB. That is perpendicular bisector. It is perpendicular and bisector. So it is passing through the midpoint. So find the point on this line. So if you find the midpoint of AB, that is M, or call it D. This is E, whatever it may be. D is the midpoint, and find the slope of AB, then take the perpendicular slope. So you will get the point and slope of this perpendicular line, then you can find the equation. So first we find the point D, midpoint. Now midpoint of AB, midpoint of AB, where the first point take x1, y1, second point x2, y2. So the midpoint formula x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Now let us name the midpoint as D. x1 plus x2, 10 minus 4, 10 minus 4 by 2, y1 plus y2, 4 plus 9 by 2, that is 10 minus 4, 6 by 2, 4 plus 9, 13 by 2, so that is 3 comma 13 by 2 is the midpoint. Therefore the midpoint of AB is 3 comma 13 by 2. Now we have to find the slope. To find an equation, we need 1 point and slope are 2 points. So now we got 1 point on the perpendicular bisector and we have to find the slope for perpendicular bisector. If we find the slope of AB, then we can write slope of its perpendicular. Now let us find the slope of AB. Slope of AB. Slope of AB, where formula y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Here 9 minus 4 minus 4 minus 10. 9 minus 4, 5 by minus 14. This is the slope of AB. Now we want the slope of its perpendicular line. Slope of DE. Slope of DE, which is perpendicular. DE is the perpendicular bisector. It is perpendicular to AB. So reverse that is 5 by minus 14 and change the sign. So minus sign becomes plus sign. 5 by 14 becomes 14 by 5. Since the DE is perpendicular to AB, so if you know the slope of a line and you can write the slope of its perpendicular by changing the sign and taking its reverse, that is reciprocal. So now we have slope and a point. Now we can write the equation of the perpendicular bisector. Equation of perpendicular bisector of line AB, that is equation of DE. We know the point D 3 comma 13 by 2 and the slope of this perpendicular bisector is 14 by 5. And if you know a point and slope, point as x1 y1, slope m, the equation is y minus y1 m into x minus x1. So in this, substitute y1, that is 13 by 2, m value 14 by 5, x1 value is 3. And simplifying, you will get the equation. Taking the LCM, that is 2y minus 13 by 2, 14 by 5, x minus 3, 2 into 14, 5 into this one. So 5 into 2y minus 13, 2 into 14, 28 into x minus 3. And simplifying, 5 into 2, 10y, 5 into 13, 65, 28 into x, 28 into 3, 74. 84. So and bringing left side terms right side, first right as it is, 28x minus 84 minus 10y minus 65. 28x minus 10y minus 84 minus 65 becomes plus 65, minus 84 plus 65 minus 19. So this is the equation of perpendicular bisector. Equation of perpendicular bisector of AB is 28x 28x minus 10y minus 19 is equal to 0. So this is how we find all the different lines, equation of a side of a triangle by using 2-point formula, that is equation of AB first bit using 2-point formula taking AB, and median. What is median? Already explained in previous classes. Median is the line joining the midpoint of opposite side to its vertex. So finding the midpoint and taking 2-point formula, using 2-point formula, first find the midpoint D and next AD. Using AD points, you can find the equation. Then altitude. Altitude is the height of a triangle. So height through B. So this is the perpendicular drawn from B to the opposite side AC. So the altitude is the perpendicular to the opposite side AC. So finding the slope of AC and then writing the slope of BD, that is slope of altitude. So after finding the slope and the point B, you can find the equation of altitude by using slope point formula. The point B is already there, and finding the slope by using AC and writing the slope of its perpendicular. Then using 1-point slope formula, you can find the equation of the altitude. Then perpendicular bisector. So it is a line perpendicular to AB and also passing through its midpoint. So you can find the midpoint and you will get the point on the perpendicular bisector, and slope, finding the slope of AB and taking its reverse slope of its perpendicular line. Then using point slope formula, you can find the equation. So with this, we conclude today's class. So prepare your notes and practice some more problems, solved problems from the exercise. So don't forget the example problems, solved problems also equally important. So practice as many problems. They're already solved in the textbook. So after listening the exercise, after practicing the exercise problems, then almost the solved problems will be similar. You can understand them. So after watching this, you can practice the solved problems from the exercise and prepare your notes, the exercise, and as well as solved problems. Thank you. Thank you for watching.